Connecting with the divine with your eyes closed is meditation. Connecting with the divine with your eyes open is darshan. Come, let us all now move from meditation to darshan. Slowly, very slowly, please open your eyes.
बंधवे नमो नित्याय नाम सोषिताल बद्धबांधवे नमो नित्याय वामरेतर प्रधान बंधवे नमो नित्याय कालभीत विप्र बाल पालते नमो नित्याय शूल भिन्न दुष्ट दक्ष पालते नमो नित्याय मूल कारणाय काल कालते नमो नित्याय पालयाधुना दयाल वालते नमो नित्याय इष्ट वस्तु मुख्य दान हेतवे नमो नित्याय दुष्ट दैत्य वंश धूमकेतवे नमो नित्याय सृष्टि रक्षणाय धर्म सेतवे नमो नित्याय अष्टमूर्तये वृषेन्द्र केतवे नमो नित्याय आपदत्रिनेत्रटङ्ग हस्तते नमो नित्याय पापहारि दिव्य सिन्धु मस्तते नमो नित्याय पापधारिणे लसन्नमस्तते नमो नित्याय शापदोष खण्डन प्रशस्तते नमो नित्याय नित्या हरे नित्यानन्दा नित्या हरे नित्यानन्दा नित्या हरे नित्यानन्दा नित्या हरे नित्यानन्दा। व्योमकेश दिव्य भव्य रूपते नमो नित्याय हेम मेदिनी धरेन्द्र चापते नमो नित्याय नाम मात्र दग्ध सर्व पापते नमो नित्याय कामनैकतान हृद्दुरापते नमो नित्याय ब्रह्ममस्तकावली निबद्धते नमो नित्याय चिन्मगेन्द्र कुण्डल प्रसिद्धते नमो नित्याय ब्रह्मणे प्रणीत वेद पद्धते नमो नित्याय जिह्वकाल देह दत्त पद्धते नमो नित्याय कामनाशनाय शुद्ध कर्मणे नमो नित्याय सामगान जायमान शर्मणे नमो नित्याय हेमकन्ति चाकचक्य वर्मणे नमो नित्याय सामजासुरांग लब्ध चर्मणे नमो नित्याय जन्म मृत्यु घोर दुःख हारिणे नमो नित्याय चिन्मयैक रूप देह धारिणे नमो नित्याय मन्मनोरथावपूर्तिकारिणे नमो नित्याय सन्मनोगताय कामवैरिणे नमो नित्याय नित्या हरे नित्यानन्दा नित्या हरे नित्यानन्दा नित्या हरे नित्यानन्दा नित्या हरे यक्षराज बन्धवे दयालवे नमो नित्याय दक्षपाणि शोभिकाञ्चनालवे नमो नित्याय पक्षिराज वागहृच्छयालवे नमो नित्याय अक्षिपाल वेदभूततालवे नमो नित्याय दक्षहस्तनिष्ठ जात वेदसे नमो नित्याय अक्षरात्मने नमाध्वडौचसे नमो नित्याय दीक्षित प्रकाशितात्म तेजसे नमो नित्याय अक्षराज वाहते सदाङ्गते नमो नित्याय राजदाचलेन्द्र सानुवासिने नमो नित्याय राजमान नित्य मन्दहासिने नमो नित्याय राजघोरकावतं सभासिने नमो नित्याय राज भक्तपोषिणे नमो नित्याय माकरन्दसारवर्षिभाषिणे नमो नित्याय एकबिल्वदानतोऽभितोषिणे नमो नित्याय नैकजन्म पापजालशोषिणे नमो नित्याय सर्वजीवरक्षणैकशीलिने नमो नित्याय कीर्तनप्रियाय भक्तकालिने नमो नित्याय दुर्विदग्धदैत्यसैन्यधारिणे नमो नित्याय शर्वरीशधारिणे कपालिने नमो नित्याय पाहि मामुमामनोज्ञ देवते नमो नित्याय देहि मे वरं सिताद्रिगेवते नमो नित्याय मोहितर्षिकामिनी समोहते नमो नित्याय स्नेहितप्रसन्नकामदोहते नमो नित्याय नित्या हरे नित्यानन्दा नित्या हरे नित्यानन्दा नित्या हरे नित्यानन्दा नित्या हरे
ॐ नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the living, practicing Hindus all over the world, all the SJP Yajamans, Kartas, manifestors, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedar, Kailasas, E-Gurukul students, NHU students, all the Paramashivoham Level 2 program participants. I welcome all the living and practicing Hindus once again. And all the inner awakening graduates, everyone sitting with us through Kailasa TV, Kailasas NTV, Kailasas Hinduism Now TV, Kailasas Enlighten app and Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Paramashiva's message directly from Kailasa. Kailasa's views and solutions for post-COVID-19 world. Cosmic solutions from Hinduism, cosmic Hindu solutions. I'll continue to expand. As I was expanding on last few satsangs, first, let us understand the karma, the cosmic logic why we are going through what we are going through, why we are going to go through what we are going to go through. Binary logic does not have solution for what we are going through. It doesn't have a permanent solution. It can help prevent little bit. Maybe it can help to maintain ourselves little bit, but it does not have a complete solution. if we find why we are going through what we are going through from the cosmic logic, we can avoid this problem once and for all in future also, not only solving what we are going through now, we can avoid the same kind of problems in the future also once and for all. Please understand, Hindus have a long experience and expertise in handling this kind of pandemics and natural calamities, including complete destruction. Understand? First thing, the greatest problem Hindus need to understand, their Puranas are history documents. They are not mythology, imagination. Or poetries. It is history document. Story is the history document how Hindus handled the great deluge, one of the largest tsunami, yet large amount of land. There are at least 100, more than 100 references in Hindu Puranas how we handled this kind of pandemics and the after effect of this kind of pandemics. So before entering into the solutions, I wanted to analyze the problem very detailed way. The post-COVID-19 world, what all it is going to face, I think it has already started facing. The post-COVID-19 problems have already started coming up. They have started erupting. The unemployment rate. I want you to see an illustration. The unemployment rate. Unemployment is higher than Great Depression, highest unemployment rates in the whole US history. Understand? I am just giving you few statistics. I am talking about US because literally the world economy depends on US economy. the unemployment is going to be higher than the Great Depression. 32.1%. The next high spike in unemployment numbers. Understand? It was always less than 1 million. From 1967 to 2000. Sorry, 1967 to 2020. Till then it was always less than 1 million. Now, April 4th, 22 million totally unemployed. Understand? Actually, the figure shows 6.6 million. Now it has increased. 22 million unemployed. 6.6 million is 1 week of the April 4th. But totally 22 million unemployed now. Understand? The next illustration. Jobs vulnerable to layoffs. The way people are going to lose jobs due to the COVID-19 pandemic. In every field, real estate, sports and entertainment, membership associations and organizations, travel and attraction, education, automobile service, support and accommodation service, clothing and retail, ultimately food and beverage services. The lower middle class most impacted in the jobs impacted. And the next important problem, when the income inequality happens, the suicide rates go up. This is the worst problem. More than the deaths due to COVID-19 pandemic. The suicide rate going up and swallowing lives. All over the world. See, I am giving you some of the examples related to US, but I can say this can be considered as the sample of the world. The poor and middle class getting poorer. Hence, rich-poor gap is drastically increasing. And suicides expected to go up because the depression is also increasing. See, next I have one more slide. The level of distress and depression in people. Anxious and depressed. Anxious but not depressed. If you see the percentage, depressed but not anxious, all the three put together, 74%. And now, one of the worst problem adding to all this is the money government spending on the depression is going to go up. So it is going to be a heavy load on government. Just on depression, US spends $71 billion. This is 2016 data. On depression alone, US spends $71 billion. With COVID impact, it is expected to go up very significantly. When I was seeing all these data, I also understood one thing. Just for diabetes, US is spending $101 billion. I am not talking irresponsibly, understand? I am talking very responsibly. I am responsible for the words I am uttering. Not just US. US is spending $101 billion on diabetes alone. Not only US. Any country spending so much money on diabetes, I tell you, solution is too simple. Too simple. Just make people understand the importance of Nirahara Samyama. I tell you from my own experience, because I was poisoned illegally. My body started collapsing, internal organs started collapsing. And there was a time I had high blood pressure and very high diabetes, 500. 500, understand. I have documents. I have medical documents, 500. Fasting, 500. People, doctors are shocked how I am walking around without fainting. I tell you, honestly I tell you, no medication. Only thing I did, just Nirahara Samyama, Pachapattini Vratam. That time I did not do it as a Pachapattini Vratam, but I started doing Nirahara Samyama. Pachapattini Vratam has some special added instructions. Just I started doing Nirahara Samyama. Not only now I am absolutely healed, I am taking all sweets. I am not on any diet. I am free from all diets. And I am absolutely healthy. From my own experience, I am telling you. Hindus need to be grateful for Samayapuram Mahamariyamman. The rulers of India need to be grateful for Samayapuram Mahamariyamman just because she is teaching Pachapattini Vratam to the mass. Government does not need to spend so much money on diabetes. Even what the government is now spending on diabetes, government and people all, whatever you are spending on diabetes can be drastically reduced if we just teach people Nirahara Samyama Understand, Nirahara Samyama is not intermittent fasting. I tell you, no one will be successful in intermittent fasting because the hunger, the chemical reactions in your stomach will break your fasting and forcibly make you eat. Only commitment and religious devotion and sacred sentiment and vow towards God is only capable of breaking your food addiction, especially when your stomach and tongue forces you to eat. That is why I am telling you, no intermittent fasting will be ever successful. Only religious fasting will be successful. I challenge all the intermittent fasting gurus. I challenge you directly. I pulled 30 kg out of my body because of religious fasting. You demonstrate and show me doing your intermittent fasting. Just 10 kg, pull it out of your body and show me. Intermittent fasting is a one more cheating. Get back to the roots. Do religious fasting. Understand? Samayapuram Mahamai Parashakti is real. When we commit to her, she really listens to our commitment, vow, prayers. Only people who cognize this truth and this strength can conquer the hunger generated in the stomach and the hunger generated in the tongue. Hunger generated in the tongue is craving. Hunger generated in the stomach is addiction. You can conquer both only when you have the strength and powerful cognitions towards sacred sentiments. Nirahara Samyama is the commitment you do to Guru, Dakshinamurti, and Guru Parampara, from Paramashiva to your Guru. That is why Nirahara Samyama is successful. All these secular jingjings who are trying to reduce the Nirahara Samyama to the level of intermittent fasting. I challenge you, fellows. Come on. You start your intermittent fasting and make your followers do intermittent fasting. I'll start my Nirahara Samyama and make my followers start the Nirahara Samyama. How many people are successfully completing it and how many people are experiencing benefits? Let's do the statistics. When you remove religious component, the spiritual component, cosmic logic, powerful cognitions from the spiritual practices, bull is reduced to ox. I have nothing more to say. கொட்டை இல்லாத திராட்சை. அது திராட்சையே இல்லடா. கொட்டை இருந்தா தாண்டா திராட்சை. I wanted to put this on record. Hinduism is suffering too much by these people who are constantly trying to make all Hindu practices into secular by removing the spiritual and religious components. I tell you, do Nirahara Samyama and Pachapatni Vratam, you will be successful. And Samayapuram Mahamaya is real. Dakshinamurti is real. When you connect to them and commit with them and start your Nirahara Samyama or Pachapatni Vratam, they make sure you are empowered, supported to complete your Nirahara Samyama and Pachapatni Vratam. So the spiritual component, the powerful cognition based on the cosmic logic is too important. Secular பசங்களா ஓரமா போய் அரசியல்ல விளையாடுங்கடா. ஏன்டா இந்து மதத்தோட கலாட்டா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க? ஓரமா விளையாடுங்கடா. ஓரமா போய் விளையாடுங்கப்பா. Understand? Yoga should not be reduced to just physical exercise. Nirahara Samyama, Pachapatni Vratam should not be reduced to intermittent fasting. Hindus, wake up. Don't allow this stealing. Just like how other religions steal the great principles, the so-called seculars, liberals, try to steal too many things from you guys Hindus. You need to understand, do not allow this cultural invasion and stealing, robbing. Nobody ever is successful in intermittent fasting. Conquering hunger and craving happens only with a sacred sentiment, commitment to God. One of the most wonderful thing I found in the Sai Sampradaya, whether someone is Shirdi Baba's devotee or Puttaparthi Sathya Sai Baba's devotee, or devotees of both Shirdi Sai Baba, Puttaparthi Sathya Sai Baba. As far as I am concerned, I am very clear. Shirdi Sai Baba is incarnation of super consciousness, Paramashiva himself, and Satya Sai Baba is incarnation of Shirdi Sai Baba. I am very clear about it. Both of them are incarnations of Paramashiva directly. So the Sai Sampradaya, devotees of both Sai Babas, I have always seen they are successful because both Sai Babas taught deep commitment to the spiritual, religious core values and truths. All these liberal jing. I don't want to name. There are tons of liberal jings. The moment I see their disciples, I can see very clearly. See, whenever I see Shirdi Baba or Puttaparthi Sathya Sai Baba's devotees, I feel so happy, comfortable, I can trust them because they always make people good and strongly committed to religious and spiritual cognitions. But all these modern jing liberals, followers and disciples, the moment I see them, I get frightened because they become cunning. When the religious spiritual components are removed from the original practices and made secular into binary logic, the human beings only become cunning, demonic, not spiritual. I am very clear. My devotees will be absolutely following the agamic instructions for every spiritual practice without missing a comma, full stop. If you need exemption or little variation, Paramashiva has already thought through and he has given enough choices, exemptions, variations. We don't need to change the agamic instructions or pattadi. When I decided to do Pachapatni Vradam, first thing I did, thoroughly investigated, inquired the details from the original Samayavaram Mariamman temple and brought that instructions as it is to all of you. Surely Mahamai has blessed us. That is why the impact of Corona has really come down. What could have been has drastically come down. It could have been much worse. Now let me analyze all the problems and look into the cosmic solutions, dharma. Fundamentally, visionaries of the society should become deeply life positive. Decision makers of the society should become deeply life positive. Whether economy or ruling the people. Economy, the Vaishya's job, generating wealth, or ruling the people, administering the people, the Kshatriya's job. Both should be absolutely life positive. Both should be creativity and expansion based, not suffocating, frightening, fear based. It should be extremely expansion based. It should be absolutely life positive, pro life. Solutions from the cosmic logic may look little paradoxical, but that is the permanent ultimate solution. I tell you, man who understands death lives long time. He lives a long, healthy life. Soon, I will establish this statement I am uttering with studies, researches. Maybe already many people would have started thinking in this line or even doing researches and studies. I tell you, multiple times in your day-to-day life you get panic attack. The fear of losing something or your life itself. When that attacks come, what kind of a response you do to yourself matters. That is the decision making point for your longevity and health. Understand? The corona itself not necessarily need to kill you unless your immune system is weak. How much we are giving importance for not to get infected, at least that much of importance should be given to keep your immune system strong. Why so much importance only not to get infected? And nobody talks about strengthening your immune system. That is too funny. Delusion and huge blind spot. Infection does not necessarily need to kill you. Actually, death rate is less than 20% in many countries. So, side by side, along with prevention methods, people need to be educated about strengthening your immune system. But I tell you, strengthening your immune system is not making anyone rich. That is why nobody is interested in talking about it. Please understand, whenever you get the panic attack internally, I'll tell you one small story, small incident. You really need to know this. My guru, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, my predecessor, and in that Guru Parampara, he is one of the greatest being happened in Tiruvannamalai. He lived in Tiruvannamalai for quite a long time. Once I asked him about the ghost and these paranormal beings. One word he said, hey, நமக்கு 7 உடம்பு இருக்கு, அதுக்கு 3 உடம்பு தான்டா இருக்கு, அதை பார்த்து பயப்படுறியாடா, அதெல்லாம் பார்த்து பயப்படப்படாதடா. நம்ம நினைக்கிறது தான், நம்ம பயந்தாண்டா நம்ம முன்னாடி ப்ரொஜெக்ட் ஆகுது. He told very beautifully. He used multiple words to explain in his own Tamil. I'll give you the translation. He said, we have 7 layers and they have only 3 layers. We are double stronger than them. And our fears only project and make them look like they are very powerful. So don't be afraid. That's it. Just one instruction. From that time, I never had any fear, worry about any paranormal beings. Any ghost, any paranormal being, I can deal it just like that. I can directly talk to them and, hey, what do you want? Why are you here? Answer quickly. I have to attend to some other next person. See, listen. One instruction from him broke the whole pattern of how I respond to that panic attack. Same way, whenever you get this panic attack of losing something or some persons or your own life in your inner space, how you respond decides strengthening or weakening your immune system. If somehow you click with the truth, actually you don't have death. You just leave the body when you needed to leave and assume another one body and continue the journey. It's as simple as changing the shirt. Even for changing the shirt, you need to remove, unbutton and all that. It is like changing a uttariyam, towel. Nothing, just throw it, that's all. Just these simple truths clicks with you inside. I tell you. It can click with you either by you going through the experience through death process, which we are offering in Paramashivoham level 2 process, or initiation from the Guru. Understand these simple truths. If they click inside you, every time you get the panic attack, this truth will come and you will use them. The truths you use, the answers you give internally to yourself, the balance you reach, the peace you reach, the inner reconciliation you achieve by the right internal response decides either strengthening or weakening of your immune system. I tell you, man who understands death lives long with health. Man who understands the secret of death lives healthy, long life. From the time I understood, I don't have death. Absolutely. No panic panic attack about losing something or some persons or life itself. I protect myself to do this mission of Kailasa, but there is no panic attack inside. Understand? The response you give for your panic attacks decides weakening or strengthening of your immune system. Understanding about death as per the cosmic logic, not as per the binary logic, as per the cosmic logic, makes you live healthy, long life, making your immune system strong. I really want all the life positive decision makers to start educating people about strengthening the immune system along with social distancing and all the prevention methods. See, preventing without getting infected is great. Along with that, this knowledge about strengthening the immune system also should be taught. Because once you teach people strengthening the immune system, not only this COVID-19, any other pandemic comes in the future, we know how to handle it. You are empowered forever. The decision makers and leaders of all nations should feel proud about empowering people. People should be administered by empowering, not by enslaving, controlling, suffocating. No. Empowering administration, empowering economy. Economy should be creativity and expansion based. Administration should be life positive based. Then we can have the real long-term solution. The real long-term solutions for post-COVID-19 problems. I have so much more to share. I was talking to one of my disciples, Sri Avimuktananda. Few days before in the satsang I mentioned about the concept of success. How you are getting brainwashed by the consumeristic cult, by the false, wrong, destructive ideas of success, and how the mass media is brainwashing you to sustain the consumeristic cult. Then Avimukta was asking, what is the alternative solution, Swamiji? This concept of success, what is the alternative? Actually, I did not give him a detailed answer because I was busy with multiple next meetings I have to run. I decided I will answer that question in the satsang. But again, we have Krishna Darshan. Maybe within next 1 hour. For Paramashivoham level 2 participants. So I will answer to these questions, Avimukta's question and all the other problems today analyzed in the further satsangs. Let's get ready for having darshan of Krishna. Understand, Bhava darshans are real. Those gods really exist. They are still alive. They are nitya, eternal. And they manifest in incarnations, bodies. Through incarnations, beings and identity. Using the bioenergy, biomemory, muscle memory of an incarnation to bless the devotees. Just like how they manifest in Archavatara, they manifest in Nijavatara. So let's get ready for Krishna's darshan. Just like all of you enjoy, I also enjoy when those gods, the great beings, land and manifest through this muscle memory, biomemory and bioenergy. Just like you all, I also celebrate their manifestation. So let's get ready for Krishna Darshan. I'll continue to respond and reveal the cosmic Hindu solutions for post-COVID-19 problems in the further satsangs. Now with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, living and radiating the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness and Kailasa of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.
श्री कैलासोन्नत द्वादशान्त श्यामला पीठारूढ़ श्री मीनाक्षि सुंदरेश्वरा भिन्न स्वरूप परशिव पुत्र रत्न कुमार गुरुमण्य तुल्यावतार श्री पार्वती स्तन्यपान लब्ध दिव्य ज्ञान विश्रुत सकल निगमागम सारभूत द्राविड वेद प्रवक्त्रे श्रीमत् परम शिव करुणा समधिगत मुक्तामय चतुरश्रयान गीयमान छत्र चामर श्री चिन्ह काहलादि समस्त बिरदावल्यलंकृत ज्ञान विज्ञान चक्रवर्ती सर्वजन संघ सद्यो निर्वाण दीक्षा व्ययापवर्ग वर्ष विश्राण जीमूत परमत कलभ केसरी शैव सिद्धांत स्थापनाचार्य श्री राजाधिराज पांड्य महाराज गुरु क्षपण शाक्यादि महांधकार निवारण ज्ञान भानु वीक्षणानर्हार्ह ध्वजोच्छेदन पूर्वक श्रीमद्वृषभध्वज स्थापक शैव समय कर्त्रे सर्वज्ञ पीठारूढ़ श्री जगद्गुरु श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक स्वामी वागीश सुंदर माणिक्य वाचक स्वामिनां अवतारभूत श्रीज्ञानसम्बन्धस्वामि पुनरुद्धृत श्यामलापीठ सर्वज्ञपीठ 93 गुरुमहासन्निधान अरुणगिरियोगीश्वर परम्परागत अरुणाचल सर्वज्ञपीठ गुरुमहासन्निधान कैलास परम्परागत काञ्ची कैलास सर्वज्ञपीठ 33 गुरुमहासन्निधान नित्योत्सव नित्यमङ्गल नित्यकल्याण नित्यरजित कैलास परम्परागत आदिकैलास नित्यानन्दपीठ महासंस्थान महासिंहासनपीठकर्तः साक्षात् श्रीपरमशिव समुद्भूत कैलास परम्परागत वैवस्वतमनु इक्ष्वाकु हरिश्चन्द्र भगीरथ श्रीरामचन्द्र शूरसेन इत्यादि अनवच्छिन्न सार्वभौम चक्रवर्ति परम्परागत 64 योगिनी मण्डित 64 सम्प्रदाय प्रवर्तक मनुधर्मशासन सूर्यवंश प्राप्त सर्वज्ञपीठ सुराङ्गी साम्राज्य मूर्धाभिषिक्त चूडामणे साक्षात् श्रीपरमशिव समुद्भूत कपिल महागुरु पुनरुद्धृत महानिर्वाणिपीठ 8,000 श्रीमहामण्डलेश्वर साक्षात् श्रीपरमशिव सिंहासनाभिषिक्त समस्त गणनायक श्रीमहागणपति समारम्भ अनवच्छिन्न पीठाधीश्वर गुरुपरम्परा प्राप्त अटलपीठ 8,000 श्री अटलपीठाधीश्वर धर्ममुक्तिस्वर्गपुर स्वर्णपीठ 23 गुरुमहासन्निधान कैलास परम्परागत आदिपीठ सर्वज्ञपीठ जगद्गुरो श्रीकैलास पुनरुद्धारक श्रीकैलास परमाचार्य श्रीमत्परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य वर्य सच्चिदानन्द प्रणव स्वरूप श्रोत्रिय ब्रह्मनिष्ठ श्रीमज्जगद्गुरु श्रील श्री भगवत् श्री नित्यानन्द परमशिव श्री ज्ञान संबंध देशिक परमाचार्य स्वामिन् अत्रागत्य परिपाल्य च अस्मान् विज्ञान वितरणेन विजयी भव जय जय।